welcome to Elementary School Gardening with Miss Kari. We're going to begin with our gardening yoga poses. So we're going to begin as a plant underground, and we're going to grow to above the land, and then we're going to reach for the sun. Today we're going to be talking about trees. The American Sign Language sign for trees is to take your non-dominant hand and lay it out in front of you like land. Take your dominant hand and grow a tree from that land. On top of the tree are leaves, and as the leaves blow in the wind, they move from side to side. So that is our American Sign Language sign for trees. Specifically today for trees, we're going to be talking about suckers. So that is also our vocabulary word. Suckers is our vocabulary word. S-U-C-K-E-R-S. So, as an example, this is a tree in my yard, and my humble assistant here is going to get me a pair of pruning shears to help prune the suckers that are growing from this tree. So the suckers are these little stems that grow from either the trunk. If suckers grow from the trunk, they're called water sprouts. If they grow from the roots, like this big one is growing directly from the roots of this tree, then it's just called a sucker. And we want to get rid of these things. There's a bunch of them over here. This is a sucker, and when it's growing from the trunk, it's called a water sprout. Sucker, water sprout, same thing. And the reason it's called water sprout is because it's sucking water and nutrients from the trunk, from the tree, the main tree itself. So we want to get rid of those. Usually they appear when there's some sort of damage. If there's damage to the roots, then you'll get suckers that are growing from the roots. If there's damage on the trunk, like you pruned something, or insect maybe made a indentation, it will grow the water sprouts from the side. But we want to get rid of those because they take nutrients and water from the main tree. This tree has been topped. As you can see, somebody cut, this was a huge tree, and they cut off the top. And from that, all these suckers grew, because suckers are just the tree's attempt to grow new branches, so to help it survive. So these new branches from the top we're going to keep. We're going to actually keep those. But the suckers that are going here at the bottom, we're going to get rid of those so that this top part of the tree can be healthier. So that's what suckers are. And when you prune suckers, you just want to get right at the base, which is where the stem meets the trunk, as close as you can, and you just prune it. All right. To end,
and this is not a disease.
That's not a disease lead. To end our video, we're going to do our yoga pose for tree. And to do that, we're going to take whichever leg we want, and we're going to put it to the side. And then we're going to grow our hands into branches. And this is the yoga pose for tree.
Goodbye.
Do we have any questions?
Yes. I was wondering, what is our trivia question?
So what's our eco challenge is her question. The eco challenge for you is to take a walk through your neighborhood and look for different suckers growing out of trees. Identify different suckers or water sprouts that are growing from trees. Thank you, and have a good day.